In 3 minutes, you're going to find out what is the most important feature you need to look for when you're buying luggage tags. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn of ahmeddawn.com. Today I'll have another episode of travel accessory tips and tricks video, and I'll be reviewing the Travelon luggage tags, which I have it right here, and at the same time I'll talk about a feature which you should have when you're buying luggage tags. If this is your first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support. On this channel, I'm always trying new different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more travel accessory videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So I just picked up the Travelon luggage tags, and I'm going to just take a look at it and show you a feature which you should look for whichever luggage tags you are buying. So this is a very simple luggage tags, and you can see that this is made of plastic. So what I'll do, let me just open this up. That's the first thing we'll do. So I'll just remove this from the packaging. Like there's no way I can remove this without breaking it, which is okay. So I'll just take out one and leave the other one in here for now. So if you're looking at this luggage tags, what do you see? That the part where you can look up or see the name is only the name, so it doesn't reveal the full address or email or your phone number. So this is very important, because when you're traveling with a luggage tag, you don't want to reveal your full personal information, because this is not safe. Anyone can grab that information and do a scam or do something bad. So for that reason, I would always buy luggage tags where you can only see the name, or which doesn't reveal the whole information. And then what happens here, that you can still have your full personal information. So for example, if I just remove this way, you can see that here you have your information. So if someone at the airport, for example TSA agent or the luggage and handling department, they need to look up your information in case of loss or anything, they can still have the access to the whole information. But this is not just showing around everywhere, or if you're putting this tag on your carry-on or your handbag or anywhere, this is not just revealing everything 24-hour. So that's the feature I would look for. So here is an example to demonstrate what I mean. So for example, this is another luggage tag, and you can see that there's nothing to hide. So basically you're putting your name, address, telephone number and email, and this is visible to everyone. So for example, if you're taking this attaching to your carry-on or anything, then anyone can grab your name, phone number, address from here, and this is not safe and secure. So for that reason, I wouldn't buy luggage tags like this. So I prefer to buy luggage tag like this, where only the name shows and everything else is hidden. And still, if the TSA agent or anyone from the airport authority, they need to look up your full personal information, then they have the access to it just by sliding it over. And this is made by Travelon, and I have reviewed their other travel accessory products. They make good travel products, and I'm going to put some links on the screen for the next travel video. And also, this is not a paid or affiliated review. All my reviews are non-affiliated, unbiased and honest. So from today's video, the most important message is that never buy any luggage tags which reveals the full personal information. Always buy something like this, which only shows your name but nothing else. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.